So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So right now I am here outside from my house. Actually I have come here to get my cows. So now as you can see right now there are two cows and they are grazing, and a few moments later I'll have to take them home. But for now I see there are some moment left to take them home. Actually I usually take my pets at 11 o'clock, but now I see it's 10:30, so that is why I would like to move from here to next place in order for them to graze more. Okay, so right now I am putting this bag inside the soil first, and now move to the next one. Now okay, so let's play a game. If you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know the name of this tool, what this is called, that is tied at the end of this rope. What this is called, please let me know in the comment. I just put the pack inside the soil. Okay guys, so right now I just moved two of my pets, and now I would like to stay here because there are some moment or some minute left to be the time. So that is why, as long as the time is not getting at 11, so I would like to stop here, or I would like to have a rest with the guy actually. But by the way, here by staying in the shade of this tree guys, this video is going to be super helpful, because in this video first of all I would say, yes, even I don't know, but yes, the things or object whatever I am going to come across with, I am going to teach English sentences by exploring the things or object, right? So that's how I will stress this block longer, so this way you can learn English like a skyrocket. So that is why I want you to please watch this video until it very end. Guys, this is kind of a plant, and this plant has all around spikes, right? This is called ice spikes. Oh my god, yeah, this is called ice spikes, and that's how entire stem has spikes, right? But my question for you is, okay, so right now I just turned the front camera, so here my question was, can you guys guess what fruit it gives us? Yeah, if you guys guess, please let me know in the comment below. And now as you can see the leaves even, right? I'm going to show you the leaves, as you can see. Yeah, and it has all around spikes, so please let us know in the comment below just by seeing the leaf of this tree. And also, as I just told you, it has all around spikes, right? Okay, so right now I just sat here and I am next to a pineapple crop. Yeah, so now as you can see, and also there is a man who is spraying on his crop, right? And the crop called pineapple crop, right? And bananas, right? And here there are a red flag right over there, right, as you can see. Okay, and also there is a man who is bringing his pets. I'm not sure you're able to see or not, right? So now as you can see, I try to zoom in out, right, as you can see. And the same work I also have come to do, right? Means a few moments later I'll also have to take my pets home. But for now I see there is still some moment left to reach at the time. Okay guys, so finally I see it's time to take my pets home. So right now I am taking my pets. So now as you can see, but here I see there is a crop, and the crop that I show you earlier 2 times in my previous video. But also today I would like to use the word of this crop by teaching you, right? Just because actually sometimes I forgot the name of the vegetable right? So that is why especially I would like to use, right, by teaching you all. So the vegetable, or so the crop that I show you right now called taro root, right? Taro root. But in your mother tongue, what do you say? Please let us know in the comment below. But in my mother tongue we call it kachu. Okay guys, so right now let me get back home. And also actually there are some people just in front of me and they are watching me while speaking, right? So that is why I felt like shy if someone watching me while speaking, right? So that is why I would like to stop recording for a while. So right now I just crossed the muddy road, and right now I am on the road that is deer. Wow. and that was muddy. And also there is a man and who is also going to take their pets to tie in the field, by the way, just after milking, right? But right now I am going just like opposite, but I take my pets to milk, but he is the one, he has done. Guys, so let's learn English by using the cow. Actually I just bet 2 or 3 times, but she doesn't want to go home because she is kind of a gluten, right? She is a gluten cow. So that is why gluten, what do you mean by gluten, by the way? Gluten in the sense the cow that eats or that grazes too much, right? So that kind of cow or man called gluten man or gluten cow, right? So now just I turn the front camera to ask you a question. By the way, do you guys think, are you a gluten? If yes, please let us know in the comment below. But if I talk about me, I was once at a time, but now I am not, right? Okay guys, so now it's time to take them home, and also there is a girl who is coming and she is watching me by speaking. And as I told you earlier that I felt shy if somebody watching me while speaking in English, right? So right now it's 11. So now as you can see the time on my wall clock, and now I just asked to my sister and she says no, there is nothing to eat. So that is why today I have to be hungry. And just after get them reach my pets, and my next job is to give water to my other pets. Actually I have some more pets and that I have tied this morning, but I couldn't show you because of some reasons. Yeah, but right now a few moments later I'm gonna show you. But right now, okay, let's go to the river, or especially to my pets, to give water. And then while giving water I'm going to teach some English sentences, so keep on watching. Today is not just sunny, also it's scorching hot because it is very difficult to walk in the sun, to be outside. Yes, and right now actually I have just come to give water to my pets and I have done, right? And just after giving water, right now I am here having rest. Actually I just came here, so that is why I'm feeling too much warm actually. And also today I have forgot to brought a towel so that they can protect me from the sun, but actually when I was coming there was no sun this much, that that much right now, right? So that is why I didn't get any towel. But now when I have reached here out far away from my house, and now I see, wow, it's too much sunny. So that is why I couldn't show you guys anything while I was giving water to my pets. So now I just take off my shirt and I grab a towel in order for me to have a shower, because it's 12 or 12:30 p.m. I'm not sure, by the way, exactly. Yeah, and I have come to the faucet, so now as you can see, and where I'm going to have a shower. So to have a shower, so first I have to take off the entire cloth, then I will have a shower. Okay guys, so right now just after having a shower, so now I am here in my home. Actually just after having a shower I take lunch, and also as you can see I applied oil and I comb my hair, right? And now finally it's time to take a nap. Nap in the sense a little amount of rest, called a nap in better English, right? Okay, so let me take a nap. Okay guys, so this is actually the end clip of this vlog, and right now I have come here to get my pets, the pets that I have tied or I have shown you many a time, right? Yeah, so now as you can see, but by the way here I am not gonna speak anything because there are lots of people drying their corn, right? So that is why I would like to stop recording from this place. But yes, if you would like to watch, okay, I will try. Okay, I try to show you a little bit, but otherwise I am not more likely to show you, right? Now as you can see there are a bunch of people and they are drying their corn.